A rally is being held for Murray State University international students in this free speech zone on campus. In the last month, dozens of student visas have been unexpectedly revoked, sparking uncertainty and fear across Kentucky campuses. Just last Wednesday, a Murray State student's visa was revoked by the Department of Homeland Security. The cancellation prompted Murray State's college Democrats to issue an open letter calling for the university to make public statements about their commitment to the safety of all members of the MSU community.
Whether or not like on campus here ICE was actually here, or if it was just a student getting their visa revoked, it's still an issue. Because as I said, anyone from across the world should come here. Diversity is a good thing, and universities are a great way to foster that.
A week later, the rally was organized by the Kentuckians for Higher Education Coalition and included more than 50 members of the United Campus Workers of Kentucky, West Kentucky Now, Murray State Alliance, and the Murray State University College Democrats. Those involved gathered at the Free Speech Zone at Murray State to stand in solidarity with international students across the country. A general stance that many organizations around campus and also general student body who really want to show support for international students at Murray State, in Kentucky, and across our country, because they do a lot more than you realize to add to the culture and the environment of a campus. And it's very unfair for them to be targeted with such swiftness and malice and a complete lack of explanation of why there's any reason that they should be removed. I'm worried because it's just another overreach of unfair discrimination and a blatant attack on higher education and trying to restrict how things are done in public universities. Inside Higher Ed reported more than 1,500 students and graduates from more than 250 colleges have had their visas revoked under the Trump administration. The reasoning behind these visa cancellations is still widely unknown, but many say the revocations are politically motivated.
In my opinion, I do think that we are weaponizing the political system with this tactic. And I think it's scary that we're setting precedent for the future to do this. And I really never expected for something like this to be on our local level and affect people on this campus. And since that is happening, I think it's important for us to address it and to spread awareness to everyone on campus. I mean, I'm Palestinian. I've spoken out against the atrocities that Israel has committed, especially in recent times. And I do think that it's just ridiculous that we're now weaponizing the law and allowing students to get their visas revoked just based on opinion.
As more visa revocations could be on the way, the rally stands as a symbol of opposition and solidarity among organizers and students who participated. For the Murray State News, I'm Mackenzie Rogers.